pushing in and out. It's kind of the knocking sound I'm hearing from the back. I don't know what the hell it's hitting.